taking, just be. Don't take it. Taking, just don't be. And live my life. Don't take it personal. I ain't lying.
Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. If you are new, my name is Monica. In today's Clean With Me, I'm going to show you how I quickly cleaned almost my entire house, and it did not take me a lot of time. So if you are in some need for some motivation to get up and start cleaning and you don't have a lot of time, this is definitely going to be the perfect video for you. I hope you guys all enjoy. If you are new here, don't forget to hit that red subscribe button. Be sure to give me a thumbs up, and let's get cleaning.
I'm on hiatus.
So sometimes I don't have a lot of motivation to get up and start cleaning my house, but I do feel like once I make my bed, everything just kind of snowballs, and then I really feel a little more motivated to clean up around the rest of the house and really get my day started. So as soon as I am done making my bed, I'm just going to be putting stuff away that I have left out on my dresser. I have books and my computer and notepads and all kinds of stuff that was left out on my dresser. So once I put all that stuff away, I'm just going to quickly give my dresser a good dusting. Lately, it has been super hot here, so I have had my fan on constantly, and I've noticed that when my fan is on all the time, it really blows all that dust around. So it is a really good idea to just quickly dust down your furniture daily, if not every other day, if you are running the fan all the time. So this took me less than 5 minutes to do, and then I moved on to picking up in the master bathroom.
You got the nerve to be on me, faking your life for the IG. If you got my number, don't add me.
So now that I'm in the master bathroom, I'm just going to be putting everything away that I have left out. But while I am doing this and putting things away, I have noticed a lot of things that have either expired or I have not used in a really long time. So as I am putting things away, I'm going to do a little organizing and just kind of throwing out some old products as well. It really helps declutter your cabinets.
Off screen, taking time out to be and live my life. I'm in.
So now that I have everything put away, I'm just going to quickly wipe down my countertops, and I love to do this every single day. On the days that I do like a deeper clean, I will remove everything off the countertops and I'll work my way from the top down. I'll clean the mirrors and the shelf that I have here, and the sink's out really well and all that stuff. But for a quick clean, I'm just going to wipe down the countertops, and I will be using the same cleaner that I used in the master bedroom, and it is the Mrs. Meyer's Clean Day multi-purpose cleaner, and it is in the rose scent, and I did end up using the very last of this. As you can see, I used it to clean out the sink. I used the very last of my bottle today, and I'm very sad because this is definitely one of my favorite scents, but I am super excited about the fall scents coming out as well. Okay, so now that I have the master bedroom and bathroom all clean, I'm going to head on downstairs. And honestly, guys, this only took me about 15 minutes to do. Deeper cleans obviously will take a lot longer. I am just shooting for a quick clean just to get the house nice and clean. And as you can see, there is stuff left out on the countertops. I have a lot of laundry that I have to fold, and I have dishes to put away and all that stuff. So I will be focusing on the kitchen and the family room down here. And the first thing that I'm going to do is start in the kitchen. I always start my cleaning in the kitchen when I come downstairs. I feel like that part takes me the longest, so I want to get that knocked out first. Okay, so for the most part, I do have everything put away, and now I'm just going to load up the dishwasher. And I don't know if you guys are like me, but if you are, leave a comment down below and let me know that if you have a family member in your house that loads the dishwasher differently than you do, and you have to go in and kind of move dishes around when you kind of pick up where they left off. Maybe it's just me, I don't know. I mean, it's not like a huge deal, but I always find myself kind of moving dishes around after someone had already placed dishes in there, and they just do it a little bit differently than I do.
About the things we used to do. No, you couldn't stand tall. So why didn't you call?
Okay, so now that I have the dishes finished, I'm just gonna set my 2 potted pothos in the sink and give them a really good drink of water. And I did get asked a few questions about the plant that's on the right. It's like a variegated type of a potho, and a couple of you had asked what type of plant that was, and it is definitely a variegated potho plant. So just in case anybody was wondering, that's what kind of plant it is, and the pothos are definitely the easiest to care for. They are almost impossible to kill. So if you're looking for like a starter plant, a potho is definitely the way to go. Okay, so when I started cleaning in here, I did not plan on taking everything off the countertops to clean them because I wanted to do a quick clean in here, but I didn't have too much to move around. So I thought, you know what, why not? I'm just going to take everything off the countertops and give the counters a really good clean. And today I'm using a cleaning product by Love Home and Planet. It is a lavender scented all-purpose cleaner, and I love the way this smells. It smells really good, and it does a really good job at cleaning. So I just quickly took everything off and then wiped the countertops and the faucet down really well and made sure everything was nice and clean before I put all of the items back.
Oh, but why didn't you call? Something in the air, always something in the air. Inexplicable, I can feel it in the air. Can you feel me? Can you feel me? in California. The sun is always shining bright. People are smiling, making plans, hiding behind their shades, and you're doing the same. No rain, no flowers, nothing's growing where you're at. Heart is fire, but baby.
So for my table, I will be using a different product, and this is a wood cleaner, and it is by Method. It is called Method Wood for Good Daily Clean, and it is in an almond scent. If you've been around for a while, you know this is definitely one of my favorite wood cleaners.
I bet you're cold. You're so damn cold.
So I have been asked quite a few times where I picked up this tray, and I bought this at Kirkland's, I want to say 2 or 3 years ago, and I'm not sure if they have it anymore, but I love this tray. You can use this in so many different areas of your home. I like to use this here and just set like the salt and pepper shaker and the napkins and all those other items all on this tray. That way it's really easy for me to just pick up and move off the table when I go to clean it.
I bet you're cold without me, even when it's 90 degrees. Without me, I bet that you can get any sleep in that bed, lying awake. Cause I'm not there beside you, keeping you warm and I know. I bet you're cold.
Okay, so the last thing that I'm going to do in here is bleach my sink, and I love doing this about once a week. And you do have to make sure that the water is cold. I learned this after a few times of mistakenly using really hot water thinking that it would disinfect better, but in actuality you do need to use cold water for this. And I use probably about a quarter or a half a cup of bleach, and then I just fill the water just enough to cover the bottom, and then I will let it sit while I go about cleaning the rest of the house.
Without me, I bet that you can get any sleep in that bed, lying awake. Cause I'm not there beside you, keeping you warm and I know. I bet you're cold. You're so damn cold. It never rains in California. The sun is always shining bright. Don't listen to what everyone else says. Take your time. You're not there, miss. Yeah, you might not be at your best, but it's fine.
So when I was in Hobby Lobby the other day looking at all of the beautiful fall decor, I came across this table runner, and it's a faux leopard printed table runner, and it was actually in the spring collection, so it was on clearance, and I can't remember what percentage it was off. I want to say 60-70%. I can't remember exactly. It did come out to a little over $9, but I thought this would look so cute on my coffee table, and there is actually one of you guys that totally guessed where I was going to place this in my shop with me haul. I did say that I got this table runner, but I was not going to use it as a table runner, and one of you guys guessed absolutely correct where I was going to place it, and I think it looks perfect on my little coffee table here, and it's going to look so pretty with all of my fall decor. I cannot wait to start those videos. I will start decorating for fall very soon. I want to say maybe next week. I'm not sure exactly, but those videos will be coming out soon. Make sure that you are subscribed so you do not miss those.
What you prefer. How about when you can't see a way out? Help you fight. count to 10, take a deep breath. This is the only way you'll ever find out that it won't always be this way. You will get there someday, babe. Feel the sun on your face. Visit Paris or Broadway and chill out on Sundays. It won't always be this way. You will get there someday.
Okay, so now that I'm finished cleaning up down here, I'm going to drain the water with the bleach, and my sink is nice and disinfected and it's super white and clean, and I didn't have to do any scrubbing. I normally do use the abrasive side of a sponge, and I use soft scrub with a little bit of dish soap, and that does an excellent job as well, but it doesn't do any type of disinfecting. So I love using the bleach, and I do this about once a week.
And I failed, so can we work it out? Only time will tell. Why do you keep telling me nothing?
Well, that is it for today's video. I hope that it gave you tons and tons of cleaning motivation to quickly clean your house. Did not take me long at all to do. So I hope that you guys all enjoyed this video. Don't forget to subscribe if you are new, and be sure to give me a thumbs up if you did enjoy it. And I hope you guys all have an amazing day. I will see you in the next one. Bye.
I'm feeling something that goes beyond us. Can we work it out? Only time will tell. It's gonna take a lot, 'cause we've been through hell. I can't be without you. I've tried and I failed. So can we work it out? Yeah. Only time will tell. I still want all of you, and I know all your colors. And I guess 'cause of that I can think of no other.